In the heart of Bungoma County lies a university dedicated to education, innovation and sustainable future. Kibabii University, a shining institution of knowledge surrounded by breathtaking natural landscapes. Amidst the sprawling campus here, learning intertwines with nature. Remarkable commitment to environmental sustainability unfolds. Kibabii University, that goes beyond lecture halls, aims to create water sustainability and reforestation. This recycling plant sits on a 13-acre piece of land majorly occupied by planted trees and nursery seedlings. As a result of this initiative, the university has been able to curb water shortage in the institution, save extra costs and expenses in water supply, create employment opportunities to the local community, and ensure environmental preservation. The plant is made up of 8 integrated treatment steps that are pond-like structured, allowing waste to settle as they hold large volumes of water to maximize on space. At step 1, general waste from the institution is collected and stored in a sewer tank. After the collection, the waste is channeled to step 2, where chlorine dioxide is added to break down organic matter. The separation of the organic matter and raw water takes place in this stage. The raw water is then channeled to step 3. Step 3 has 3 interconnection stages for filtration. The filtration is done using specially designed blocks. Block 1 allows for removal of big particles in the raw water. Block 2 then further filters maximum particles that passed Block 1. Brushes are used for washing the walls of the blocks. A scooper is also used to scoop the waste, which can be used as manure for farming. Finer filtration is done in Block 3, allowing for smoother raw water. Block 3 is then divided into 2 channels, where the right channel is for manure, while the left channel is for the raw water. The filtered water is then channeled to step 4. This process is chlorination for disinfection. A chemical is added to kill pathogens. This pond is 13 meters deep and specially designed to hold more volumes of water and allow residual waste to settle. The water is dark blue in color. The clarified water is then filtered to step 5. The water undergoes a washing process to the next pond, step 6. At step 6, chlorine and fluoride is added to the water for the second time to ensure the treated water is safe for use. The additional chlorine ensures the water remains safe for drinking, as fluoride prevents tooth decay and strengthens teeth. Step 7 is the final step during the recycling process, where the treated water is captured. The water is then pumped to the various water points in the institution for various use. This initiative continues to promote positive environmental impacts such as protection of ecosystems. By treating and recycling wastewater, this plant prevents untreated sewage and pollutants from reaching sensitive ecosystems. The safeguarding of environment helps maintain biodiversity and supports aquaculture. This plant has enhanced the institution's positive image, as availability of water ensures regular cleaning of the amenities, promoting a conducive environment for learning, research, and innovation. The institution has plans to introduce aquaculture with the aim to enhance food security and for research among agricultural students in the institution. In addition, the university has partnered with the county government of Bungoma and other organizations to ensure environmental sustainability. Our planet is facing a crisis like never before. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change are wreaking havoc on the environment. But in the face of these challenges, hope emerges through reforestation and the power of planting new trees. Once, vast forests are now reduced to barren wastelands. Deforestation has taken a toll on biodiversity, ecosystems, and the livelihoods of communities. The loss of forests accelerates climate change, affecting weather patterns and increasing the frequency of extreme events. Reforestation is critical to mitigate climate change and conserve biodiversity. Trees are the lungs of our planet. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, providing a life support system for all living beings. Reforestation enhances soil fertility, prevents erosion, and supports local agriculture. Trees create habitats for countless species, preserving biodiversity. In the face of this adversity, Kibabii University has taken action to boost its environment. The institution aims to plant thousands of trees with a goal to promote positive impact around the school. Reforestation not only improves air quality but also enhances the well-being of students and visitors. Through reforestation and planting new trees, we can revitalize our planet, making it a better place for future generations. Let's embrace the power of reforestation and bring about the rebirth of the green.
Our health systems, transport and communication infrastructure, farmland and food production systems, local and international supply chains have all been affected, thus imposing an extra burden on already overwhelmed peoples and nations. To a considerable extent, these adversities are the direct and indirect consequences of human failure to observe its ecological imperative. Instead of preserving the integrity of our planet's vital systems to enhance the Earth's livability for all creations, we have embarked on thoughtless exploitation and the insidious pursuit of prosperity in ways that do not take environmental costs into account. Apart from causing oppression, cruel exploitation, and yawning inequality, which consigns billions of people to poverty, marginal universe of limited possibilities, this obvious definition of industry and enterprise has led to climate change, pollution, and loss of diversity. It is time for civilization to reconfigure its most fundamental values and principles in our time. It is time for humanity to step up and live up to its most basic mandate, and that is to protect life on Earth, the integrity of our planet's vital systems, and make the world more, not less, livable.
Despite the institution's effort to promote water and environmental sustainability, it has experienced a few challenges, one of them being adopting advanced technology required to run the water recycling plant is expensive. Further, inversion by the local community to the institution's recycling plant, hence risking the operation process. Well, Kibabii University launched the water recycling plant that has seen students from here benefiting from it. Well, with me is a BRB student, or you can call them the renewable energy student. We would like to know more of how the recycling plant has benefited them. Karibu sana. Kindly tell us your name and the course that you take.
My name is Brian Kipchumba. I'm taking a course on renewable energy and biofuels technology.
Well, I would like to know, as a student of BRB, what would you like the university to do in order for you guys to benefit from the recycling plant?
I'd like the university to install a biogas plant for it to generate a methane gas.
Kindly, can you elaborate on that?
So the biogas plant generates methane, which can be used by the university in heating, cooling, and generation of fuels. And this is how it works. The biogas, with the waste plant, you can tap in the waste materials into an enclosed digester, whereby in the digester, the enclosed waste materials go through a series of enzymatic reactions to generate this methane gas. The methane gas has a valuable in heating and cooking, and also you can convert this methane gas into fuel, whereby you can fuel your vehicles with it.
Yeah, and with that, you'll be saving the cost of fuel.
Yes, with that, it has the importance. The first importance is that you'll reduce the cost of electricity in cooking, and in the second place, you will generate an environmental friendly, whereby you will lower your carbon dioxide footprint by fueling your cars with the methanol gas, methanol fuel from the methane gas.
Through this establishment, Kibabii University has made a significant role in water sustainability and environmental conservation. Over the years, this recycling plant has tirelessly worked to recycle and purify gallons of water each day, enabling students here in Kibabii to have access to safe drinking water. Let us be inspired by this incredible success story, reminding us that we have power to make a difference in the globe for generations to come. together we can make a difference.